Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I have filmed. It's been 4 months I think, and I'm back. I'm in my new apartment. I'm super happy to be here. So today I have a tutorial for you guys on this look. I posted a picture on Instagram wearing this makeup and some of you guys asked for a tutorial, so here it is. I hope you like it and let's go on with the video. I'm going to start off with the Urban Decay Makeup Prep Hydrating Gel. I really like this product because it is really, it's a gel, it's not a cream, it's really light and I absolutely love that. Especially in summer, actually. I know it's not summer, but in summer it is really cooling. When it's really hot outside, this is lovely to put on your face. Then I want some extra glow, so I'm going to use the MAC Strobe Cream just on the high points of my face. A little bit on the chin as well. You can see me glowing. And for foundation, I am using the Yves Rocher Light and Luminous Foundation in Beige 200. I've been using this foundation for a really long time. I really like it because it is natural, but it's still a foundation. Just gonna put a couple of dots on my face, and I'm doing it in little parts, so I'm starting here and I'm just working that in with my beauty blender. It's really lightweight, it doesn't really feel like you're wearing foundation, and it is buildable, which is great because you can wear it on a day that you're not really feeling like you want to wear makeup, and you can wear it on a day that you do. And I'm rambling. I think it's been like 4 months since I've filmed, so it feels kind of weird sitting here again talking to, well, you, but my camera. I moved house. I'm in my new apartment right now. That's why we got this beautiful background. Then I'm going in with concealer. This is the Yves Rocher Radiant Youth Corrector pen. It's just a gold pen that you turn like this and then it comes out on the top. I used to always hate concealers like that because I thought it was messy, but I really like this one actually. So I'm putting a little bit under my eye and I'm dabbing it out with my beauty blender. So I set it with powder now. I used the Catrice translucent powder. It's called Nude Illusion Loose Powder Transparent Matte. I really love this product because it's really lightweight. I've been using it for years now and it's super cheap, so that's amazing. Then I'm going to contour a little bit. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette. This is a really cool palette. So on one side you have 4 powders, then you flip the mirror, and then you have 5 creams. I'm going to contour with a little bit of powder. So I'm taking this brush. It's actually a highlighting brush, but I don't care. And I'm going into this shade right here, and I'm going to accentuate my cheekbones a little bit. Just a little bit, because I'm going to use my bronzer also. Then I'm making sure that there's nothing left on my brush, and I'm going over to blend. And when I blend, I go in the direction of how my cheekbone is going. Then I'm taking the little brush bag that I used to set my under eye, and I'm taking that with the same contour color, and I'm just slightly going to go around my nose just to define it a little bit. I'm not trying to make it look different or anything, but I'm going to define it, the tip, then I'm going under my lip, just a tiny bit, and then here on the Cupid's bow. This is going to define your mouth. Then I'm also going to use a bronzer. I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I have a little one, and I've been loving this so much. As you can see, I hit pan. I used to bronze with big brushes, but for some reason I've been really loving this one because I can still contour a little bit instead of only bronzing. So I'm starting here and I'm going around and up like you would contour, but a little less precise. And then I'm going up in the hairline, around the forehead. So that was bronzer. So the face is almost done. I'm going to use a blush. Today I am using the Rimmel London blush in 190 Coral. This really warms up the face also. That's why I like this color. And then I'm going into highlight. This is what I've been using lately because it's super easy. This is the Clinique, what's it called again? Illuminator stick, I guess. I use it so much that everything has gone off the tube. I'm putting a dash on my, then choop 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 on my cheekbone, and I just dab it out. You can see it. Oh, it's nice. Then I'm going to precise highlight a little bit, and I'm using this luminizing powder from End of the Stories. It is really pretty, it's really light, and it's quite natural. So I'm taking a little bit on an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going over tip of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and like maybe like a little bit here. Like right on the apple. Just love it. Time for eyebrows. I'm going to comb them out first, just to lay the shape that I want. And I'm going into the End of the Stories brow powder in the color 2 or Knowles Almond. And I'm just going to follow, I'm gonna start underneath my brow. I mean at the bottom of my brow, to shape. My brows are pretty easy because I've got a lot of brow. I'm starting off by priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is the classic one. I'm just gonna put this on my eyelid all the way up to the brow and just dab it in with my finger. Then for this eye look, I am only going to be using the Zoeva Blanc Fusion palette. I bought it once in a packet with the Cocoa Blend and Caramel Blend, I think it's called. And I didn't like this one, but I bought it anyway because it was cheaper than if I would buy them separate or something. So I bought it, and I bought it and I never used it. And then a couple of weeks ago I thought, come on Sophie, you have to use it because you bought it. And I really liked the look that I did, and a couple of you guys also liked it, and that's why I'm doing this video. So first I'm going into this light color, right here. This is called Travel Inspired, and I'm going to take that all over the lid just to set a base. Next step, I am using the MAC 221. I think it's 221, yeah. This is just a small blending brush, and I'm going into Joy in a Box, which is the color right next to it, which is kind of a taupey brown color. And I'm going to take that into the crease, and I'm blending that out with, this is a brush that I use that has no product on it, and its sole purpose is to extra blend the shadows. I'm going into Lost Bite, which is, what kind of color is this? It's kind of a grayish brown, I would say. And we're taking this in the outer part of the eye. The outer V, as people would say. I'm going back into the second color that we use, which is Join the Box, this one. And I'm going back in with the fluffy brush, with the bigger fluffy brush. And I'm going over the edges of the eyeshadow we just put, just to soften it up. Then I'm going to use the empty brush again, going around the edges to make sure that it's nicely blended. Then I'm going to highlight my brow bone, and I'm taking the brush that I highlighted my nose with, and I am going into Noble, and I'm going to put this underneath my brow, right on top of my brow bone. Then I'm taking a flat brush and I'm going into Visions of Gold, which is this yellow color. And I'm taking this on my brush. And we're going to put this on the inside of the eye, on the eyelid. And I'm really gonna dab it because I want to pack it on. And you're gonna stay inside of the crease, only on the moving eyelid. Like that. Pretty! I'm going to take my blender brush again, blend the edges. Still going to darken up my eye, I think, later. I'm gonna go back in with a little brush into the darkest color. And we're gonna darken it up a little bit. Just the outer V. Taking the small brush again, make sure there's nothing of the dark color on it anymore. And we're going into the second color that we used, and we're gonna put it underneath the eye. Like that. I'm gonna take the yellow on the same brush that I packed it on, but on the top, and I'm going to drag it underneath, just on the lash line. I'm gonna leave it like this, and I'm just gonna pop on some mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes first. I'm putting the L'Oreal Telescopic. Make sure you have all the corners. I'm only using it on the top. And then finally for lips, I want a very natural color, so I'm using the, what is this? Clarins lipstick in 14 Chocolate Rose. And this is, I think, my most natural lipstick. It's kind of rosy. Wow, it doesn't look natural like this. And then I just kind of take it off my finger. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, leave a comment down below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And then I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye!